Welcome in today's stream. Up. Let me put some music as usual. Okay, nice. It's working. There we go. Okay, now let's see what we get for the open. Let's see what we get for the open. Open in 3. So we have the daily low here. Basically, kind of what I expect. If we do like lose that, and if we can reclaim that, basically, that's pretty much the plan. Okay, here we have all the levels. We can, like, for example, close this. Pretty much what we want. We have the weekly view up here. If we remove it, we have the rolling view up here. We can also remove the rolling view up here and just keep the weekly. That is a great resistance. So that's how it goes. 15-minute trend also here. So we do have like a bunch of basically levels, low time frame resistance here. As usual, let me share it up, on X also. Up, plan, day. Looking for a new trade during the stream and giving away $100 to one of the viewers. Up. So now let's see if we can have a bounce. Would be nice. That would be nice. I take it, honestly. Let's go on YouTube, and let's go on live. Up. So I have it. Yo, Chris Rod, how are you? Yo, Brian, thanks. Keep up the good work, bro. Thanks you. Hey, mate, is 72 along again? Could be, yeah, if we get it. Depend on the reaction. Honestly, I would prefer us holding this level. That will be even more bullish. So give me a second. Let me share the stream on X and on the Telegram so everyone can join. That's good. Let's get it. Welcome, guys, in the stream. Let's get it today again. No way. No way I smoked that much IQOS in such a short period of time. Hey, Precious. Yo, Frodo. How are you guys? Welcome in today's stream. New York is opening. Let's see how it goes. So if we keep an eye on everything, we can see that we are still under the 21 EMA on the 4 hour. We are still under the trend in the 15 minutes. We are still under the trend in the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, careful here. Let's see. I have my levels here, my entries. I can get stop entry. That will be totally fine. And we just wait for like a new trigger. So let's see. Yo, let's see what we can get. Market moving a bit here. Yeah, devotion. Are you? How deep is your love? Welcome guys, welcome guys. New York is just opening. So in terms of the VWAPs, as long as we cannot reclaim that, this looks pretty bad, right? We probably like just range here between the 2024 value area high and the 2024 point of control. So hopefully we reclaim that for bullish continuation. If we look at the VWAPs on the monthly, right now rejecting again the monthly value area low, getting out of the weekly value and still far away from the quarterly value area high. So let's see if we can hold it. Let's open some other softwares. In terms of the probability of the week, still 20% chance to take out the weekly high, 70% take out the monthly high based on time. So but a month is very large, we can go to like 65k and then go back to the monthly high. I mean, we're only the 4 of the months. In terms of daily probabilities, we have like 25 and 12% chances to take out the daily high. And session, we also have low chances to take out the session high. So let's see. For us to be very bullish, we need the price to kind of take this level, and then we can have invalidation here for longs. But here I'm not looking to add longs at this price, okay? That's a bit catching knives. As also I caught a long yesterday at this level, so I don't need to like chase along. I will just like be stop entry here. Yo guys, yo Lojigi, yo Ash, yo Parmin, yo Chetan Maru, yo Vikram Jeet Singh Palmer. That's a long name. That's a long name. Now let's see on Sol. Maybe we can retest 92. Maybe this. So I don't feel like we go to the 80s, 85 max. I don't know. I'm not that bearish on a hype. I'm gonna lie. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Open your heart, open your mind, and let your love flow like the sunshine. The rivers run deep, and valleys go dry, like black water. Just open your heart. Now let's see, we need BTC to reclaim this level. Like I told you guys, on the 1 hour, this looks bad. Maybe we feel this. Like, that'd be the best. And targeting this, right? Under this, I feel like we chop here. So keeping an eye on that. Let's see if we can get a New York opened up, then we reverse. No rush here. Yo matey, yo Pound Credible, how are you? Yo Emer Opec. Yesterday lows maybe. I will get stopped entry, so I'd rather have a bounce. Personally, I'm already long on Ethereum from lows and on BTC from lows, so I'd like a bounce. How long this stream will go? I don't know, 1 hour, 2 hours, let's see. I have some stuff to do. I have 2 videos to make. I also have a lot of like Instagram reels to do that I will do for tonight. So I have a bunch of things to do, guys. Also called with students. I have one call with a student. So I will see how much time we can do this stream today. What are your top coins for spots? I'd say BTC, BTC, Hype, so Ethereum, Solana. Now let's see. Hopefully we can get a nice rejection of the lows. And yeah. So far checking this, I will also show you the important levels, which are the daily VWAP and the weekly VWAP. Right now, we can try to reclaim that. That would be nice to have some sort of like big nerf open bounce and pumping. Right now, retesting these levels, we don't want a big rejection. Okay, New York Open are always very volatile, so we want this. To be strong, right? Here, same. Look on the top left. On the top left, you can see here the daily VWAP and the weekly VWAP. These levels are very important. We also have some asks here. So yeah, that's very important. Let's see if they can make it. Here we still have nice imbalances for bulls. So yeah, that's promising, but we need to flip those levels again. How do you manage risk on bad days? Well, basically, I risk 1% on day trades, 2% max, and on swing trades, I risk 3 to 5%. So usually the swing trades, they take multiple days or multiple weeks to play out. And the scalps, I usually hold them for like 30 minutes up to like 8-9 hours. My average position is like 8 hours. What about Dodge? Honestly, I'd wait for the market to settle down and to be a bit bullish, to go long on like meme coins. I'm okay to not catch the bottom. I'd rather just buy spot on strong coins and then use the profits from this to like rotate into meme coins. I feel like if we do bounce, meme coins will not be the top performers at the beginning, or maybe. But if you guys remember when we had the crazy pumps on the altcoin markets, the meme coins went like crazy. So I don't really want to buy spot on meme coins. I prefer to like just trade leverage, swing trade on alt. I feel like that's kind of the best strategy, to like not be really like exposed to meme coins and to be able to like ride the ups and downs on the meme coins. Pretty much how I want to play that. So now let's see. I'm running a trade almost break even after a few hours. What was your entry? Which trade, brother? By the way, guys, we are giving away $100 again today to one of the viewers. The money will be sent on your Tapbit account. So if you don't have a Tapbit account, it's no KYC. You guys can check the link in the description. Okay, there's the link for Tapbit. If you deposit 5K, you get 3K bonus. If you deposit $100, you get $60. If you deposit 1K, you get $600. So that's very good in order to trade and to basically swing long the coins here at such low prices. Basically, you kind of like plus 50%, plus 60% your deposit, so that's pretty good. I'm also running a copy trading challenge there, so if you guys are interested, the link is in the description. To Tapbit, no KYC, very good liquidity and interface. And I'm basically making a 20K to 100K challenge, so a 5x challenge. I feel like if we catch the lows, we can make it. I'm already in some positions. I'm already up in the challenge 20%. So let's keep it grinding, and hopefully we can make it again in public. That would be nice. So yeah, I have a Tapbit account. Nice. Well, if you win, we will still send it to euros, but the best will be for you to like create a new one and a new mail and get the deposit bonus. I mean, that's, you basically get free money. Is there a video tutorial? I will do one. If you guys are interested, I can do one on YouTube for sure. Since Macron, you know, the president of France, say for sure. When I say for sure, I think about him. Will you make a playlist for newbie trader to follow to go from 0 to hero? Well, basically, guys, in my VIP Telegram, I posted a full trading bootcamp with like hours of videos. So if you guys are interested, check the link also in the description for the Telegram. You guys can join, and that's all the steps to join the Discord. It's totally free, so yeah, take advantage of that. A bit struggling here. Let's see if we can hold. We really need to hold 74Ks. We really need to hold, and the best would be to reclaim the daily and weekly VWAP 1K higher. But for now, this looks a bit heavy, so I'm not forcing any trade, guys. Again, I'm long from the lows, so I have my stop entry, and that's it. For the position, this is the position. Okay, look, we had a nice bounce of this. Basically, the new daily low is like here. So we want we want this to close bullish. Now let's see and let's monitor that. How to join paid group? How much? I don't have any paid group, guys. I only have a free group that you can join via the public Telegram in the description. In order to join the group, you just have to trade on our partner exchange, and that's it. You don't need to pay. There's no monthly, yearly subscription, nothing like this. Is it must to deposit in order to win or claim rewards? Yeah, you have to deposit. And the method to join the giveaway, you have to follow, to like the stream, and to comment, and that's it. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Personally, I went from yesterday at the bottom with the group, and now I'm just riding it with stops entry. I also bought some swing longs, long with very low leverage, and I bought spot. I'm open to buy spot in the 60s, like 69, 68, 65 even. So let's see if we get these prices. Could be interesting, like could be great entries. But as I'm already long, I'd rather have a bounce to like 80Ks, 85Ks, and then we like reassess the position, maybe close some spot, and look for maybe edge shorts into better prices for spot. Now let's see. Will be lovely if we can have a bounce. And yeah. Did you ever traded Forex? Yo, Roof. Yeah, I traded Forex like 6 to 5 years ago when I started trading, even 7 years ago, and I was more stuck. I was shit. I was kind of trading demo trading, but that was demo trading. I had like a $100 Robin, eToro account with $100 that I lost. Obviously, I was like 16, 17 years old, guys. The account was under my grandmother's name, so. Now let's see if we can have a bounce from here. So if I win the stream, I have to KYC deposit on Tapbit. No. If you win, you have to create an account on Tapbit, which is no KYC, and you don't have to deposit. But if you guys want to have basically like a deposit bonus on Tapbit that they give, I will show you guys after the screenshot of the campaign. You can, but if you want to just create an account and get the $100 there, that's it. I only prefer crypto. Yeah, crypto is better. Crypto is better. So let me find for you guys the. Yeah, this shit is struggling, huh? So yeah, basically for those who are interested in Tapbit, if you deposit $100, you have until the 28th February. You deposit $100, you get $60. Okay, instant reward to boost your trading journey. That's trading voucher, so you can trade with it. Okay, so you can deposit 1K, get 600, or 5K, get 3K. So basically, you deposit 5K and you can trade with 8K. And also, one of the users under my referral link will win it's in June, end of May, start of June. Roland Garros VIP ticket, and come with me in Paris. We will fly together from your place to Paris, also hotel in VIP to see the game, so that would be insane. And also, like every 1 million in trading volume, you can also get a racket that we will ship to your place. So all these things thanks to Tapbit, and basically you guys might need to create an account, because if you are here in the streams every day, whenever you will win the $100 that we give away in every stream, it will be on your Tapbit account. So you can already start to do that, deposit and trade here. You can also join the copy trading challenge on Tapbit. Oh yeah. Now let's see. These motherfuckers don't want this to push higher for now. Let's see. Yeah, still not a lot of speed. And if we look at the footprint, well, we had some. I'd love a retest of the value reload here of the yearly, at least like 80K, not 100. That would be nice. From here, that would be a nice screen. That would be like a 7-8% bounce on BTC would be nice. On Alcons, we give nice things also. We can see here that we don't got that much longs chasing, and we've got a lot of shorts chasing here. 138 mil longs here, 100 mil short. So yeah, we want them to be squeezed. The problem also is that, well, here on the low time frame, spot is alright, but if you dezoom from the bottom here, you can see that spot was leading here, then dumped on us, and sits here dumping still, okay? While the perp tried to bounce, and now perps is also dumping. That's not really bullish. So yeah, as long as we don't reclaim that, I'm not very, very bullish. I'm okay for retest lower. This is why I have this long from the bottom and I have my stops entry. If we go to entry, I will close it. So yeah, not forcing anything, got a good entry, and now waiting. The plan worked pretty well for now. So let's see. What we would love to see also is like a break of the 1 hour trend here. So if we can close the 1 hour like this or a bit higher in green, would be nice. And then we want the 21 and 50 MA to be flipped on the 1 hour. We want to push here. Maybe we want to retest here and go, but if we lose that, like under 73k, that's pretty bad, guys. And we probably like go like into 70s or lower. So let's see, monitoring this, pretty much have nothing to do right now, just like watching the positions, watching the price action, and waiting for a trigger. If we look at the data on the daily, low chance to get the daily high, low chance to get the session high, unfortunately, and also 20% chance to get the weekly high and 70% chance to get the monthly high, which is here. But the thing is that it's the monthly high. So if we go, for example, on the daily here, like the end of the month is basically like the end of the month is here, guys. So we can basically stop here, go even lower, and the monthly high is like here. So we can like do that and take it at the end of the month, right? And so that's why you have to be careful also. Like this doesn't mean like much things, right? Now let's see. Also, if we do reclaim that level, 78k, 77k, I expect at least to push into 79k 500 and even maybe like 86k. So that will be lovely. Now let's see and let's hope we can push. Again, guys, remember, I closed my short from 97, 96k, and I'm now net long. Okay, I don't have any shorts. I'm long. I'm swing long, spot long, and I'm also scalp long. The swing long and spot is fine. I mean, even if we go to like 60k, I will be in a drawdown, but it's low leverage in spot, so this is totally fine. These are plays I'm wanting to hold for weeks or even months, and even DCA lower. So I didn't went all in. Okay, I still have cash to enter. And regarding the scalps, pretty much what my focus right now is to try to get the bottom with like tight stops, and whenever we bounce, okay, I just trade my stops entry. And if that was the bottom, great. If that was not, then we get stop entry, we wait for a new trigger to get an even better entry. And I feel like it's starting to be time to look for long. So we didn't start it to try to catch the bottom at 90k, at 100k, at 80k. We started at low 70k. So this is the moment. Even if we go to 60k, we will just have like a 10k knife catching, which is fine after such a win streak on the short. And then we can print on the bounce. But that's where I'm focusing on all these guys. Yo Alvaro, the view looks tough. I'm in Dubai, guys. But that's a green screen because I have people behind me and stuff. So that's not like the view from my apartment. Even though the view from my apartment is cool, but that's not like a Dubai view. Why are you taking trades normally around what time? I'm taking trades normally around the New York Open, so here. But the fact is that I was already in a trade here, so I'm not adding more trades right now. Fine. Thanks, Superwood. What trades are open right now? Basically, I have this BTC long, I have this Ethereum long, both stops entry. What about you guys? Are you guys in any trade, or is there someone from the VIP Discord also, for the VIP Telegram, that caught the bottom yesterday with us? It was insane. Like almost everyone caught the bottom. That was pretty sick. Did you guys caught it? Those in the Telegram, if you guys are here. Now let's see. This is struggling, but we are kind of consolidating above Monday low. that's fine. As long as we hold the Monday low, why not pushing a bit higher? Basically, you guys can see that's the Monday low, right? Yeah, that's the Monday low. So if we can hold the Monday low, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. What category of alts are you focusing on? Majors, so Ethereum and Solana, and also the DEX coins, so Aster and Hyperliquid. The other one I don't really want. I'm looking forward to make a new trade choosing BTC. Yeah, well, you guys should focus on trading BTC. That's the best. That's the best trade, honestly. Also, PopGap looks good. Well, I don't really want to trade PopCats. This is a shitcoin, guys. So I'm not really interested in trading that. If we are operating in 4-year cycle, when should we expect a reversal or bottom? Well, if this is classic cycle, the bottom should be around Q4 2026, end of next year, by end of this year. Thoughts on hype, bullish on hype. I don't know when will be the bottom. Maybe the bottom is already in at 20. But I'm looking to buy basically whenever we retest low 20s, and even if we go into like 15 stuff, I will be looking to buy hype for the long run, at least for all-time highs at like 50, 60, and why not even like 80, 100. I've heard it's recommended not to trade within 2 hours of open since it's volatile in both directions. Is it true? Depends your style of trading. Personally, I love to trade in New York Open, and I'm pretty good at it. So these are my like favorite trading hours. But you can trade basically like the end of the New York session or like open of Asia. Like it's really up to you. What you have to do is to try to trade a lot, and then to see, okay, well, I'm better trading at these hours or like at these hours. Like and subscribe down. What else can I be to be eligible for the giveaway today? Just stay here until we do the giveaway, and whenever we'll do it, you will have to comment in the chat to be eligible, and also follow and like. Well, price still pushing lower. Let's see if we can have a reaction here. Like mid 74k low is kind of the line in sand. Then this can look a bit heavy. So let's see. Hopefully we don't get another like big dump like yesterday. Because honestly, if we do have another one, I might just like stay out of lev and just like hold spot. How do you control emotion after a loss? A loss is part of trading, guys. So you don't have, the goal is really to be emotionless. You win, you don't give a fuck, it's fine. You put it in trading mode and you put why you entered, etc., why you exited, what was the profit, and you journal. If you lose, you do the same thing, and that's it. And you, honestly, in order to be a good trader, you have to know how to lose. If you don't know how to lose, basically, and you cannot handle emotions, and you are you have emotions when you trade, you cannot make it in trading. It will be very complicated because you will be impacted whenever you do a trade, win or loss. You will be greedy. You have to focus the same. It might be boring, but you have to focus the same risk. But you follow the same risk, 1-2% depending on which setup. Sometimes 2%. You have to journal everything. That can be boring, but that's, for me, that's the only way to make it in trading. If you don't do that, you cannot make it. Hey, Aston Giz, finding you. What do you look at when taking trades on your phone? Is it just previous level that? No, I don't take trades on my phone. If I take a trade on my phone, it's because I already on an alert on TradingView, and I was like, okay, I need to enter here, but I try to avoid trading on my phone. Like when I trade, I'm sitting on my desk, I'm with my screens, I have my music, I'm focused, I'm with you guys during the stream, or like even like making a video, and that's it. I have to have a good environment. If not, if I'm like walking in the street or like visiting something or like with my family, I just don't take the trade. Like it's fine. Even if you miss a trade today, you can have a new one tomorrow. I mean, look at all the trades we took this month. Like in 2 months, we took literally like 65, 70 trades. Like that's more than 1 trade a day. That's like 1.5 trade a day. So in the end, you can trade. If you miss a day trade one day, you will have another one the next day. Phoenixon, you really make progress on earning. I hate trading, trying to learn now. Yeah, at the beginning it can be complicated, but as long as you learn and you, more importantly, learn on your mistakes, and you make progress on them and you stop to do them, it can take 1 year, 2 years. Some people take 3 years to do that. Honestly, I think you at least need 1 or 2 years of trading to really like, not even master it, to be kind of in control and be able to make money, but like to be very profitable in the long run, you need at least 1-2 years of failure and like 1-2 years of being good and basically tracking everything and like improving yourself. It's like everything, you just progress with time and with experience. So the more you will do, the better you will get. But it's not that easy. I mean, you can trade a lot. You can be a trader for like 10 years and still be shit, because you just don't learn about the mistakes. You never learn psychology. You never use risk management. You never learn how to lose. You never learn how to handle your emotions. And even if you don't do all this and you still trade for like 8 years, you can still be like not profitable, unprofitable after that much, right? Well, retesting the lows now. Okay, you don't trade MNQ. What is MNQ? You mean NQ? Nasdaq? I will make the plan in a few minutes, guys, for you guys. So rejecting for now. Low chances to take out the daily high and the weekly high. So as long as we don't reclaim the levels, or we have like a week and another like big short chasing, this might go back down. So personally, I'm long from the lows of yesterday, and I have my stops entry, and that's it. Hopefully we bounce here, because I'd like to print on the long, but that's totally fine. Diego is the god of trading. Nah, not the goat. Just a good trader, guys. Yes, mini Nasdaq. No, not really. Like I follow the stocks, the indexes stuff, but like I don't trade them on like a daily basis. To be transparent. I know. I know it's not done. Do I still have Ethereum? Is Ethereum still? Oh yeah, nice. That one is lovely. Let's try to like track a little bit what like Ethereum is doing. We still have a lot of single prints higher that we probably like retest. Nice week here, but the problem is that this still looks heavy. In terms of weekly VWAP and daily VWAP, same thing, guys. We are under the weekly and the daily VWAP, failing to reclaim them. So this can still go a bit lower. So now let's see. BTC is dumping again. Let's look at the stocks also. How is S&P behaving? Yeah, S&P still looks not good, honestly. The problem a bit is a bit like S&P. Same Ethereum, let's see. Solana is dipping a little bit, getting into 92. Could be a nice swing long, maybe soon. Well, from yesterday's high, we already have like a 7% rejection on Ethereum. From the lows, we bounced 10%. So it's very, very volatile right now. So you guys better be careful, huh? It is very, very, very volatile. Yeah, Ethereum, same thing, guys. I have my stop entry, might be stop entry, and then we just focus on new trades. I will update in the VIP. Remember, stop entry on scalp long on BTC and Ethereum. No rush. We have already the spot and seen loaded from local. So let's see how this goes. I know. Nobody. Well, this looks like it's going to be stop entry. Maybe I should have edged myself here. So let's see. I will keep the day. Well, we will just like keep moving the daily low from here. Maybe that was the daily low. We will just keep it moving, but the daily high is here. So let's see now. Not much, just like managing the position here. So yeah. Hey baby, ooh. Baby. Now let's see if this can bounce from here. Will be lovely. Personally, didn't added any position, okay, because this still is rejecting the level. So yeah, let's see. Let's keep an eye on that. We would love a bounce from here. Would be pleasant. Would be nice. Yeah, like not forcing stuff here. Like no reason to force it. If we bounce, good. If we don't, then that's fine. Now let's see if they can make it. That will be pretty bad for bears that, or for people that long got stopped here, because I feel like most of the people, they miss the long here. Okay, they long probably here or here, got stopped, and now if we bounce without taking the lows, well, because I feel like people that got stopped on longs from here, they close it here, they were waiting for the lows, and so I feel like the biggest trap will be to bounce from here and to go higher. If we look again here, again, we said that, okay, we want to bounce from this level. So now let's see on the 1 minute if they can make it. Okay, BT is trying to push. Very volatile, huh? This is very volatile. This is very volatile. That's honestly, guys, I recommend you guys to trade with low leverage here. And if you trade with high leverage, use tight stop. I mean, look at the volatility. Since the open, we dumped 2.5%. On the low, we bounced 1.2%. This in like 10 minutes. So this is very volatile. Look, again, in 1 minute, rejection of 0.40%. So yeah, very volatile. I can never know. Oh. Baby. And yeah, regarding the day trades, guys, like if you guys remember, there was a moment where we were taking literally a trade every day in the stream, because we had a clear range with clear levels. Right now, it's a bit messy. Like, look at the 1 hour shots. If you take day trades here, it's a bit complicated. So I feel like we either wait for range between like high 60s and high 70s and we like just trade it, or we get a reclaim of 80Ks and we have basically the past prices and levels to trade with, and we can like do day trades. But right now to day trade, it's a bit complicated because we don't really have like historical prices on the low or like on the medium time frame. I mean, from like the past months. While if you guys remember, the range from November was pure genius because we really had like a level, a range like in like this. This was lovely to trade it. Trade the levels, trade the single prints, the power highs, the value area highs, the EMAs, the view ups, etc. Here it's much more complicated. So yeah, also that's something I said in the course to my VIP, in the VIP. It's that you guys have to be like fucking I don't know how you say in English, like chameleon, like basically to adapt yourself to the market. When the market is in a range, you trade it like a range. When the market is bullish, you trade it like a bull run, longing the trends, right? When the market is bearish, you trade the fake bounce, the short squeeze, and the trend retest and the view up retest, and that's it. And you have to adapt yourself. So the last 3 months we were in between a range and a bearish trend, so we were trending and shorting the range highs and also shorting the retest of the trend basically. Now we might be entering into a possible bottom, so why not looking for long? Okay, if from these lows we can retain 76, 77K, this is very, very bullish. Now let's see. Be water. What do you mean be water? You ain't shorting? No, why will I short? I've been shorting from 96K, so I don't have any reasons to short at mid 70s, guys. Like, that's nonsense. I was shorting from much higher. Yeah, the statistics for today, these are the statistics, guys. Basically, 5% chances based on time to take the daily high. 13% chances to take the daily high based on distance. And also 14% chance to take the session high. And 7% chances. The session high could be taken, actually. The session high could be taken. I mean, the session high, well, too far away. The session high is like here. Okay. So let's see. Now you don't want this. You really don't want this. Okay. Let's see. Still long from the lows. Didn't got stop on BTC. Didn't got stop on Ethereum for now. Let's not jinx it. On Ethereum also. Well, the bounce on Ethereum is a bit weaker than BTC. So let's see. Not trying to get into a new position here. Just waiting. Pretty much. Be like water is saying by Bruce Lee. Oh, okay. Yeah, exactly. You have to be like water. Hello, Sarah Iwo. How are you? Meaning like a chameleon that you mentioned. Okay. I didn't got it. Well, when I saw B, I was like Rick Evan. Water. I was like, what? Is that a new trading term that I don't know? That I have to learn? So yeah, pretty much, guys. Honestly, even if I was not in that position from lower, I probably wouldn't have taken the long. So if you guys didn't took the long at these lows, it's fine. Because honestly, there was no real trigger for that long, actually. Fun in you. Thanks for asking. Hola, Nathan. Hola, Mariano. How are you guys? How are you guys? Are you in a long trade? You took the long based on the Wenger? No, not really. I didn't took it based on the Wenger. Well, the Wenger, we did have nice, very, very nice levels here. Even here, almost, right? But I didn't took it based on that, honestly. I took it based on the levels I already had. Feeling, longs chasing also. Shorts chasing, sorry. Now let's see. I'd like a nice bounce, but we are still far away from this level. We need to reclaim that. So let's see. Let's see. That would be lovely. That would be lovely. Well, still struggling to reclaim 75Ks. Let's see, guys. No rush. No rush at all. Can we get a pound? Give us dollar. Let's see. Still waiting, guys. I'm coming in a few seconds. I'm going to grab some water. Some water. Going to grab some ice. Come on, bro. Tapbit. Still struggling, huh? By the way, did you guys saw the midi? Ah oui, faut que je te réponde sur X, désolé. I was traveling. Well, this is traveling. Okay. You can't make this shit up, right? What I love is Solana bouncing. I feel like Solana can pump like crazy. Be lovely. Let me check on X for you, maybe. No, I sent you a message on. Ah, well, you didn't send me the UID. Cool. We really need to hold up here. Let's see if they can make it. Can you adjust your face cam to bottom left and remove chart screen while making the chart bigger? It's hard to see. Do you guys want me to remove the overlay on the stream and just put the chart and my face cam on the left? Or we keep it like that so we have a nice background? It's like you guys want. It's more professional, I'd say. Well, I tried at least. Is there any bootcamp? How can I learn the way you trade? Yeah, guys. I posted a course on Notion, basically a bootcamp for my VIP members in Telegram. It's totally free. You guys have the public Telegram link in the description of the stream. And once you get there, you click on the pin message and you get the instruction to join the VIP Telegram. It's also free. You guys just have to deposit and trade on our partner exchange, and that's it. Well, already rejecting. We really need to hold 74Ks. Otherwise, guys, this looks better. So let's see. Lefties, if they can make it. 11 minutes into the next 15-minute close. I'd love a close above 74K 600. Let's see if we can have it. If not, that looks a bit heavier. Maybe we bounce end of the week or like next week and we just keep shopping this week. I still don't think we need to have like 65Ks. It's possible. Will be surprising. And if we do, we probably stay between 65 and 75Ks for a long time. Okay. So yeah, let's see. I'd rather have a bounce here into like mid-month and then rejection at 80Ks, 85Ks. At least to trap some more people and be able for the market maker to get more liquidation. Same as here, the 1 hour candle is important. We need to hold in green here. So let's see if they can hold. That's important. Okay, well, next stream, guys, I will remove it. I will just put my cam on the down, on the like the bottom left, and we'll put the chart in big. We will test it because you guys don't really need the chat right on the screen, as the chat is, you guys already have access to the chat, and I'm personally looking at the chat on YouTube on my phone, so yeah. No need to have the chat. It was more to have the chat and make this move, but like we don't really need the chat on the screen, right? Or maybe for people that want to look at the chat and not have the chat open, but it's 1K deposit. Yes, 1K deposit, guys. We take only people with 1K, because for me under 1K you don't need, like, you just don't trade. Under 1K it's not, it's complicated to trade with less than 1K. Even 1K is like very low. So that's why we just open this to people that are trading with minimum 1K. Sorry, like if you trade with $500 or $100, you better like buy a prop firm and try to make money, or like to work on the side to get up to 1-2K and then start trading with this. Okay, with $500 you will go nowhere. You will just it will be more complicated for you, because with $500 you will try to make more money. You will take like 5-10% risk. A 10% risk on $550, that's like nothing, and so you will be tempted to go big and you will liquidate your account. This is why I'm not doing this with people with less than 1K, and even people with 1K, I recommend them to try to get more, because like it's you cannot really succeed and learn in trading with less than 1K. I'm long right now personally. I'm long from lower. I have my stop entry as you guys can see here. So yeah, if we do all here, why not having a bounce, etc. today or tomorrow? But not forcing a new long here. I got the local bottom, so if this was the bottom, great. We just ride it. And if we get stop entry, we wait, because in my opinion, if we take the low, that's very bearish. I don't see us recovering that quick. So we really need to like bounce from here. So you could basically take a long with stops another week, but I feel like it's taking risks for nothing. Because personally, if we go entry, I won't lose money. I will just be stop entry. So like that's not worth it, I say. Is this the upgraded version of TGR? Well, TGR Bootcamp is just giving basic stuff on price action, how candles work, what is the FVG. So yeah, TGR is more funny and entertaining than a good trader. With all respect to him. So yeah, I mean, little probability trade today, not really. Or maybe if we do have a bounce here, why not a short to hedge with stops above the daily high, as we have low chance to get the daily high. But for a long, there's no probability trade to take the long. That's more like a low probability trade. So this is not worth it. Sometimes you just have to wait. 15-minute closing in 6 minutes. Let's see if we can hold the Monday low. Could be a first nice thing for bulls. But again, the big level is the 15-minute trend at 75k. And more importantly, the weekly view up at like 76k 500. Like this is the low time frame bullish level to reclaim for bulls. A bearish level to reclaim for bulls. Dieguito, what is the highest you see BTC going in the coming weeks? I'd say 84, 85 for now. And depending on the reaction there, I will take action. But the longs I took and the swings, etc., I'm looking to shave them and maybe close them all or half at like 83, 84. Now let's see. 15 minutes is looking all right. Let's hope we can push. Pretty much not moving since the New York Open. Basically, we did a week, a 3% week down. If we follow last cycle, we need to bounce from around here to 85, 87. Do you see 88k golden token for short? Yeah, that would be nice targets, honestly. I personally would expect these prices if we do bounce. But first we need to reclaim many levels. So let's see. The bounce is not bad for now. Nice. Let's see what we can do around the VWAP, guys. Very choppy today. Yeah, indeed. This is the level to take. You don't want like a bearish structure like this. Okay. You don't want like, okay, new low. Same here. You don't want like some shit like this. And then this. You want us to take this and then go toward this level. And then why not pumping, okay? That's very important to take this. So basically the levels are settled. So now let's see. Let's see if they can push. Again, they're trying to push, but they're not really making it. They are doing their best here, huh, but this still looks pretty heavy. We need a big squeeze. Same. Also, what's worrying me here is that, look, if you go on the low time frame, well, we have bunch of liquidations here, but if you go like on the 1 week or on the monthly, 1 week is also fine, but on the 1 month, I think it's much lower. Yeah, on the 1 month, we have a lot of liquidations now. And let's look at like the 1 year. 1 year, same. We still have a lot here. So maybe that's not, maybe we bounce here and we go back here. So let's see. Like, I mean, this is still struggling, guys. Look. Shit. I hope we don't do that. I hope we don't do that. That will make sense. But I hope we don't do that. Same, look, the 15 minutes didn't even close and it's still struggling here. 2 minutes into the close. Ethereum, yeah, same shit. Ethereum. That was the short I took on hype. Basically, I like exited entry. So yeah. Well, not here, but oh, that's pretty cool. I exited entry. And now I'm only long on Ethereum and Solana. Ethereum BT, Solana I have spot. I also have spot on Aster. We're moving up. Hopefully it doesn't reject on the VWAP. Well, for now it is, huh? What do you think about Chinese New Year approaching? Chinese New Year in 2024 was also in February and we saw a pump. We're also in the uptrend though. Yeah, we're in the uptrend, so maybe, I don't know if there's a link with that. Honestly. What do you guys think about the Chinese New Year? Maybe. Shoulder apps, shapes, close spots. Well, depends on your entry. If you got entry spot like low 70s, you can keep it long term, guys. That's a good entry on the long run, honestly. And we never know. Maybe we just bottom here and we go into like new all-time highs. Who knows? Like literally nobody knows. And the price is good here. So I mean, it makes sense to buy for the long run. Maybe not all in your like your cash, but you can buy 20%, 30%, even like 50% for the long run. And if we go to 50, 60, you buy the rest. You have an average entry at like 65k, 62k. If we go back to 120k, 125k, you make a 2x. And I'd say we probably go back to our all-time highs within 3 years maximum. So if you make the average of that 100% in 3 years, that's a 33% return per year on 3 years. Maybe it will all be in like a few months and you will be holding and waiting, but at the end the performance is very good. So yeah, I mean, it's alright to lock some capital for that. Don't know if you get my point. Will you try another short on hype? If yes, no, I don't feel like I will short hype. I don't, or maybe higher, but honestly, no, I'm not interested in shorting hype right now. Was too strong. We usually bottom before Chinese New Year. Oh, you're in California, Samuel. Nice you have California people. Isn't it like very early in California? Like 6, 7 a.m. How many hours do you have under New York? Because in New York, it might be like 10 a.m. So you probably have like at least 4 hours less. So that's like 6 a.m. Just out of curiosity, guys, can you guys put from like which country you guys are right now? Like what's your time zone, or like not the time zone, but like from where or which country, or like which continent you guys are. To see a little bit who comes from where. 7:30 a.m. Oh, nice. Bro, it's plugging in the stream at 7:30 a.m. And what do you do? Are you like a day trader, or like do you work on the side? Students. For now, what long or short? I'm long BTC and Ethereum, brother. I'm long BTC and Ethereum. Move slowly. Vancouver, Canada. Nice. 9 p.m. Oh, so you're like in Asia, or like Singapore or India. By the way, guys, I have some friends going to Mumbai. Is Mumbai a good city? Pro Rocket League. Yes, I'm always playing Rocket League. Italy. New York City, it's 10:30. Yes, in New York City, it's 10:30. While we're rejecting, guys, again. This looks very, very heavy. Fuck. Might be stopped entry. Moroccan in Germany, 4:30. Yeah, but same as Paris. Are we gonna take the monthly weekly low? Maybe. I mean, for now, this looks very bearish, guys. Huh? This looks like it wants to nuke, so I'd be careful. Bombay. I'm a student, but I catch your stream at New York Open before heading to the lectures. Nice. Nice. Student of pre-medical exam. Nice. We're gonna be a doctor. We'll treat you like Dan Bilzerian. Funny. Well, look at this rejection, guys. The 1 hour will close like shit again. Fuck's sake. This looks like shit. This looks like shit. Honestly. Maybe I should have stopped. Maybe I should have taken some profit on the scalp long. Well, it's fine. It's fine. I mean, can wait. On the swing longs and on the spot long, like no need to take profit. Honestly, I'm just like holding this shit. But yeah, maybe it could have been a great idea to like take some profit on the scalp, which I didn't. Oh, big dump. Maybe we take the low here again. So yeah, looks like there's gonna be stop entry, and maybe BTC just sweep this and goes back higher. S&P is holding for now. On the daily, how is BTC behaving? Yeah, still dumping a bit. Solana going to 92. Oh, got an alarm. That's probably on Solana. Yes, Solana at 92. Great level on Solana, actually, yeah. Great level on Solana. But the problem is that it's a great level on Solana, but BTC is at 74k. So if we lose that, we probably go much lower on Solana. But it's still like an okay price, like 92. Big here. I'm in a swing from here, targeting like, yeah, even 140. We like stopped at like 70, even like stopped at like 74. Like that's a good one on Solana actually. From here, currently at 91k4, 91.4. Sorry. That's sorry. Last minute of the Rocket League game. Gotta focus. It's lost. Shit. Oh, well, it's lost. Shit. Solana is going to 78, brother. Maybe. My swing long on BTC, basically from here. I entered around like 74, 73k on BTC, and I entered on Ethereum from like 2k 130-ish swing long and scalp long. These are the scalps, not really scalp, but like mid swing. Probably getting stop entry, and for the swing I just hold. I'm just trading with some margin in like 2x leverage, so that's fine. And I also bought some spots. So yeah, that's it. Now let's see basically. Now let's see if they do bounce from here. Could be interesting. I know. My life. So let's see if they hold. Maybe if we look at this in like another way, with like the TPO maybe on the daily. Is it on the daily? Yeah. We kind of have this, right? I don't know why the TPO is not loading. Why is TPO not loading? Okay, fine. Maybe here. I don't know why the TPO is not working. But basically, we've got all this. We didn't really took that, right? Where's the monthly? Oh, that's the monthly high. Oh, we almost took it then. That's the monthly high. No, not even. Sunday. Sorry, it's here. That's kind of the level. You want to reclaim. Fuck's sake, we're much higher. We tried to push here. So, we have kind of like a nice basis here that we filled. Yeah, we filled it pretty clean here. So, yeah. We have the low here. I didn't took it, but the setup would have been... Yeah, the setup would have been alright. Even like from here. Or like we stopped here. Like a one, I'm trying to see a 1-to-1 that would be nice. But like, yeah, 1-to-1 into this level. Like that 1-to-1 risk reward could be nice, but I don't really want to force a trade. So let's see if it goes to TP. I'm not in this at all. Explaining you guys why. First, if you look at the running VWAPs, we are under... Why it doesn't load? I don't know why it doesn't load. Like anything, nothing wants to load. It's weird. It's my connection maybe, no? Ah. Okay, what's the problem? Maximum numbers of studies per chap has been reached for... What? I have the pro version. What does it mean? Well, we have it here. So let's go here. Okay. Yeah, that was a lag. That was a lag. So if we remove that, basically, we can add the TPO. Then I think... No. Remove the script and... Oh. Why do I have to remove the script? I think it's my connection that is lagging right now, guys. Because I have a... you guys don't hear it, but like my MacBook is doing like... Show update statistics, please. Yes. So, chances to get the daily high, 3% on the time, 13% based on 30% based on distance, 8% to take out the session high, 8% to take out based on time and distance, and on the weekly 20% chances on distance and time, and on the monthly 70% chances on time and 29% chances on distance to take out the high, knowing that it's unlikely that the P2 is in, so the monthly low or the monthly high, because we always put one after the one we put, and also 100% of the last 23 months moved further than 9.2%. And also a big warning here, 90% of the P1s monthly highs have a bigger week. So out of the 23 last monthly, we have only 10% of the monthly, so only like 2.3, like 3, that had a bigger week out of 20. So yeah. Now let's see. And no, guys, no. I am not in this. I am not in this. Like could have been, honestly, like that could be a setup. I'm trying to think if I send a signal or no. It stops here, trying to get like the best entry possible. Personally, I'm not in. I'm in the long from lower, like I told you. I'm in this, right? But I don't have any much reason to long, guys. There's not that much shorts. And again, even if I don't have any reason, this can still bounce, right? I mean, if I was able to see whether the price is going to bounce or to reject based on what I see on the data, I will be fucking like billionaire because I will be able to take all the trades, right? But no, we have 2 million bids. Yeah, but spot's still setting. We are still under this level. That played out pretty well, right? Like we are still under basically all the levels, guys. No, I will do the giveaway in 5 minutes. I will start the giveaway in 2 minutes, guys. Just looking at the chart quickly. Oh, we dumped again. Yeah, well, look, see, that's not really worth it, huh? That's not really worth it. So maybe from this level, I mean, if we retest that, even like a true risk reward trade like that, like why not? But I need to see shorts chasing. which I don't see here. Same, we rejected the monthly VWAP. We are in the middle of nothing here, middle of nothing, middle of nothing. That's a bit risky, right? So yeah, that will be like a risky setup. That we could take, but as I'm long from lower, I don't see any reasons to like try this shit, right? So I will just wait. I will just wait for now. So regarding the giveaway, guys, let me open the bot so you guys can see who is participating to the giveaway or no. Giveaway, active chatters. So basically, you guys just need to comment in the stream. Okay, you guys need to comment the stream. Let's get back to this. No, this one. Sorry. So you guys need to comment the stream and to follow the channel and to like the stream, and you guys will be here, and I will pick up one, but the bot will pick up randomly one of you guys to win $100 on your Tapbit account. So this is the time for the giveaway. Again, it's thanks to Tapbit that we can do these giveaways almost every streams. So the money will be sent on your Tapbit account. So if you don't have a Tapbit account, look at this here. You can unlock VIP experience with every trade. So basically every 1 million volume, you will get a Wilson racket, which you can just sell, okay? Or you can use it. And one of the users with whatever volume, even with like 50k volume or like with 20 million volume, will have the same chances to come with me and to be flown out in Paris, hotel paid, etc., and to watch Roland Garros game in VIP. Again, if you guys deposit $100, you get $60 bonus. If you deposit 1k, you get $600 bonus. If you deposit 5k, you get 3k bonus. It's in trading vouchers, so you can trade with it, but basically you can open a swing long with 5k, and instead of being 5k, it will be 8k. So that's very good for you also. So yeah, the link is in the description for Tapbit, guys. You just have to check the description of the stream. There's the Tapbit link. No KYC needed. Very, very good platform. And then you can trade. And also, if you guys participate to the giveaway, the winner will receive his money on Tapbit, and for all the next. Not to win, not to winners today. I hope Ryan Shu wins, Bombay guy. You are real. We like your stream. Thanks. So it's giveaway time, guys. Giveaway time while the market is shitting itself. On these swings, I'm losing thousands of dollars, or making thousands of dollars on the plan. So hopefully we just bounce. It's fine. I can have a Jordan. I mean, I'm totally open to a Jordan, even into like 69, 65k. That will be fine in spot and swing level. And even if we go into these levels, I might open like very big positions. For now, they are pretty decent. Still kind of big, but it's fine. But here, I can like go very big if I see what I want. I don't know if they will do a deviation. Like, I will be very surprised if we do some shit like that and go back higher, because like to here and maybe to like here, that will be surprising to me, because for me, if we lose that, we have more chances to like just like rip loud. So let's see. Like if we do go back here, I will reclaim here. Maybe tomorrow that can be long, but today I might be waiting. I have my stop entry also on the other long, so just waiting. Tapbit is really cool exchange, really underrated. Yeah, it's a good one. That's my exact plan. Which one? This? Well, if you get it and we do bounce, nice, because we will stop a lot of people. But I feel like if we take this, we have a big liquidation now. Let's look on CoinGlass, the liquidation from yesterday. Did we have like a billion 24 hour? Not even. Maybe we can go into a billion, another one. Already 800 mil. Last 12 hours. I don't know where these guys find the money. Like, they've been liquidated all the way down. That's crazy. That's pretty crazy. March week 1 short wherever we are. Why? Because it's the end of the Chinese New Year. Liquidation, yeah, 700 mil. 790 mil actually. Maybe you have another source. Why do you want to short the first week of March? Now look, we had 2 billion bid and low asks. Now we have 2 million asks and low bid. They're kind of playing around here. Let's see if they can hold it. Again, guys, the giveaway will be sent on Tapbit. The link is in the description. You guys just have to comment, okay? I will do the giveaway when we are 30 people, okay? And then we end. Maybe let's see which. Well, let's wait 6 minutes, guys. Let's wait 6 minutes for the giveaway, so we can have the 1 hour candle close. That would be nice. If not, I expect price to go lower. The 4 hour is pretty heavy, guys. Still under 21 EMA. Maybe we find support here, but yeah, this is pretty heavy. This is pretty heavy, guys. So let's see. What do you guys think? Are we going lower or are we going to bounce? Are we also entering in like multi-month bear market where the price just goes down and everyone gets wrecked, chasing like catching knives? What do you guys think? Everyday BTC fucked. Yeah, it's true that in the last days BTC has been very, very, very oversold. But the thing is that the selling might come to an end at some point, right? Maybe with a big weekly liquidation event like the 10 October. But I don't feel like we will get like something like this again, like soon. Maybe in a few months. Maybe like in October or something, like same thing, like 1 year after we do have something similar. But I feel like in order to get this, we need the market to reload a little bit, to pump, to people make money, to be able to lose it again. Basically, the market takes, give back, and takes it again. So yeah. Now let's see how they can close it. But for me, it's really like 75, 76k that is a must reclaim as of now. Max Pain is, yeah, Max Pain is always lower, of course. Max Pain is, like some people say, yeah, Max Pain is higher. At some point, Max Pain is lower because everyone gets liquidated. If we bounce, everyone will be fucked up and they will like shit. So the Max Pain is higher for a bit, and then is lower because we can liquidate again people, right? If a trade end, I didn't get what you said, bro. Do you do AI trades? What do you mean? Like giving my like scenarios to AI and I take it if he tells me to long? No. What I do with AI is that I share them my trading journal from Trade AI, which is already like an automated journal with AI, and I just make some reports like an investment fund or like a hedge fund will do. So I do weekly reports, monthly reports, quarter reports, and yearly reports on my performances, my Sharpe ratio, my trades, my strategy, etc. on the markets. I fix my targets. I see what I was doing, etc. Like a fund basically. Because at some point you want to trade like a professional, if you really want to do that on a daily basis and for a living. You cannot trade randomly. Like that's a bit like that. This cannot work on the long run. It's not sustainable. What's your TP current trade? I'd say 79k 500 first TP on the long if I don't get stop entry first. For now, it looks like my first TP will be my break even. Huh? And then why not like 84, 85k? But for now, we are nowhere near to go to these prices. Am I late? No, the giveaway is running, guys. The giveaway is running here. We have 53 participants. I will do the draw in 2 minutes, just waiting the 1 hour candle close, and then we do it. For now, the 1 hour candle close looks like shit. We also have the 4 hour candle close. That might be the lowest 4 hour candle close we had since a long time, guys. Since a long time. The last time we closed that low was here in November 2024. So that will be like the lowest 4 hour candle close in like 1 year and 3 months. That's significant, guys. That's significant. Maybe that will be a deviation, but you have to keep an eye on like previous prices. Same tonight, if the daily close here, that will be a very bearish close, right? Can you make a video for spot coins to pick? Oh, will that be good? Like I make a YouTube video on like which coins I'm looking to buy. Would you guys love this? I don't know, like my top 5 coins for 2026. Some stuff like this. I can do it for sure. And explain you guys why, my levels, my targets, etc. Like everything. Maybe that could be interesting. Best entry in BTC now, honestly, in leverage, I don't know, but in spot, it's already good. Down to 60s, maybe if we dump there. Yeah, like sweep of 65 would be great. I've created an account on Tapbit, nice. Again, guys, if you guys create an account on Tapbit with the link in the description, if you deposit $100, you get $60 bonus. If you deposit 1k, you get 600. If you deposit 5k, you get 3k. And one of you guys will come with me to Roland Garros, will be flown out and stuff. That's pretty sick. So now let's see. We have 59 entries. Can we get up to 60 entries? And we do the giveaway, $100 for one of you guys on the Tapbit account. Would love some advice on spot coins. For sure, bro. Will do my best. I will do them. Are you? For sure. For sure. Sometimes it's too slow. For sure. One of you get ready to fly with Diego. Yeah. Well, I will not fly with you because I will come from Dubai. So if you come from Dubai, we can take the same plane. But if you come from like another place, we just like fly. No, only one winner. Are you drowning psychological level? Not really. 52k 200 weekly EMA bounds. Yeah. Like that be maybe like the low. I don't see us going like under 50k. Like, or maybe end of the year, but yo, so the 1 hour close, not really good, but we are already pretty much oversold on the 1 hour, same as the stochastic RSI. So why not bottoming here? But we need a reaction. If we can have a reaction from here, if we can have a strong reaction from here and go very quickly into the 21 and 50 EMA, basically the 1 hour trend, that would be nice. But if you look at on the bottom right, that's the 4 hour candle, closed pretty bad. So yeah, I'd be careful. Honestly, I have my longs, still not stop entry, but if they do, I will close them. Now let's see. Like that's basically what you want to see here. This bouncing and going quick above the trend, holding it, not like here, and targeting 200 EMA. That would be the best. But for now, we're under many levels. We rejected that. Okay, still. So what we want will be some stuff like this. That's what we want. And no like more dumps like this. Okay. Now this is like very structured still. Okay. Same on Ethereum liquidations. We have some. We went to 800 mil. No, not already. We don't have lots of shorts chasing. So yeah, this still looks pretty heavy, guys. Pretty heavy. So it's time for me to go. So let's do the giveaway. 75 entries. One of you guys will win $100 today. So let's check. Let's choose a winner. Good luck to everyone. Choose the winner. And the winner is Meet Diogo. Congratulations, brother. You won the giveaway. Are you here? That's important, because if you are not here, you cannot win. So are you here? Are you here? If not, we pick up someone else. And if you want, take a screenshot, brother. Answer me here and send me a message on X to get your prize, basically. Yes, I'm here. Nice. Congratulations, brother. So send me a message on X, or better on Telegram. Okay, on Telegram. Oh no, like on X is better. X or Discord. Send me the message, and you will get the prize. So now let's see. Price still pushing. Nothing very bullish right now. Still struggling a lot here, guys. So I feel like Ethereum is holding better than BTC for now. Solana also took 92. Could be a nice level for a bounce. So yeah, that's promising. We like kind of have to hold here for higher prices. If not, we are fucked. Be transparent. So yeah. So congratulations, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow again. Just calculating something. Okay, well. So yeah, let's see how it goes. If we can bounce here. Have a good one, guys. It was nice to have you in today's stream. Again, the plan is either we hold here when we go higher, okay, like this trade right now that I have, basically. We still have daily low here, kind of trying to consolidate here for higher prices. On the 1 hour, what you want to see is the price to hold here and bounce and not take the lows. Maybe take the lows and then bounce. The thing is that on the 4 hour is very, very heavy. If we look at it on the daily, same if we remove the drawings, we did close under here, so like kind of bearish close. We are under this week, very oversold, kind of like buying signal, but this still can drop lower. Okay, so thank you guys for today's stream. See you guys tomorrow. I will update need one win. No, only no, I will maybe I will pick up two winners tomorrow. Only one winner today, guys. So yeah, have a good one, guys. And see you guys tomorrow. That was Diego. We'll update you in the Telegram as usual. So have a good one.